In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut and trim video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right into it. Once you have your video, the first step is if you click C on your keyboard, it will bring up this tool, which is the razor tool. And as you play your video, you can cut and click on your video timeline or the video, and it cuts the video clip. If you click A, it will move the selected video tracks. If you click and hold and drag to the right, and if you click V, it will deselect. You can even click on this dry space right here and click delete or backspace, and it will delete the empty space. Another tip and trick is if you don't want a portion of the video, let's say right here, instead of clicking C and adding a cut, what you could do is click Q on your keyboard, and it will ripple delete or delete everything to the left. And same thing, if you don't want anything to the right of the video, instead of clicking C and adding a cut and clicking on your video to delete, you can do everything in one simple step by clicking W on your keyboard, and it ripple deletes or deletes everything to the right of the video track, as you just saw. Now this is very handy if you just want to cut bits and pieces, delete to the right. But let's say you only want this part, and then you can click W, it deletes that to the right or to the left. You can add another cut. You want the next cut, click Q, it deletes, and you get the point. A quick shortcut to add an edit, instead of cutting directly, you can just click K on your keyboard and it will add a cut. In order to do that, go to the top left hand screen and click Edit and click Keyboard Shortcuts. Under the search bar, type in Add Edit, and under Add Edit, click right here where it says Shortcut, click the X and type in whatever you want. In this case, I have K for the shortcut, and click OK. And that's how you cut and trim video clips completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to see more videos like this, drop this video a like, comment down below, and share the video.